clean this out. The sleepers, or if you will, the outer bands, whatever you want to call them, milled and cut for this. These are going to have a good bit of wane on them. As long as they've got one square edge, I'm good with it. That's going to work just perfect. I think what I'm going to do, since I've never sawed any Leland Cypress, is we're just going to see what it does. It's got to be a really soft wood as fast as it grows, I would say. Well, it has been a long day. That's the way it was planned all along. 1 foot. And the kid's getting the drag, but I would like to get at least one cut off of this. Shoot, I think we'll get this cut. Let's do it. Let's do it. if you have any experience with Leland Cypress, and don't just say something trying to sound smart, like I try to do sometimes. But seriously, if you've had any experience with Leland Cypress and how it holds up, let me know. I mean, cypress should hold up a long time, shouldn't it? We got our sleepers cut. We got the tree down. We got a mess in the yard. Cleaning up where the storage area is going. It's going pretty good. I'd say it's a pretty good day. I'm just gonna cut one end on this one. We'll let it run wild and then we'll cut it off. This is that Leland Cypress. If we had enough gravel, which we don't. What's that, bud?
Hey, doing all right?
All right, you?
I'm doing good.
Good, good. What you got here?
Got you some rocks.
Hey, I'll be talking to you.
All right.
Hey, thanks.
All right.
Tell everybody hello.
All right. I'll do it.
I see. To come up to the top of that, then we make this level. It doesn't have to be perfect, but first time I've used this bucket, I don't know where level is. I mean, we don't have to get to level, but it would just be a much more better situation if we did. Good morning, guys. We're going to try to get some 2x4s and whatever else we can get milled up from those Leland cypresses and cedars. I want to show you something though. Got the smoke rolling this morning, and for good reason. Well, my wife has instructed me. She needed me, boy, I wish you could smell it. She needed me to put a pot of collards on. Cranked up the wood stove, and they've been cooking now about 2 hours. Them's gonna be good. Sort of want to be careful about handling these. Let me show you why. You see that hairy vine right there? That's poison. Like me, it's just to look at. I got a real bad case one time, went to the doctor. I told the doctor, I said, Doc, I didn't touch it. I said, but I was close to it. And it was in the springtime. And the doctor told me, and I don't know if he knows what he's talking about or not, but he said the oils off the leaves in the wind can get it to you if you're allergic to it. I don't know. And here I am rubbing all up against it. Here again, this will be the only the second time I build a Leland. Maybe I better jack that up a little bit. A bit. All right, one more to go. I can honestly say the only thing that has frustrated me about my woodland mills has been this drip thing here. But today that changes. What I did, I unloosened this, took this off, and I took it to the box store. So I found a copper fitting that fits that. That's wonderful. I'm gonna put a little Teflon tape on here, like so. Probably finger tight's good enough because it doesn't have any pressure on it. And then put a little tape on this. As it came from the factory, I just left it all on here. And then I'm going to turn the factory valve all the way open. I hope this is metric. Yeah, I believe it is. And then I'm just going to cut it on with that right there. I'm just going to open that bad boy all the way open and control the flow with that. Put a shot of antifreeze. Supposed to get down to 23 this week. Well, let's see if we got anything. That's what we want right there. I guess now all I need to do is put a log up here and let's just see how it's going to roll. He's gone. I have to say though, the water fix has fixed the water and I am no longer frustrated with the water. Those couple of fittings, unfortunately, cost me about $15 at the box store. And I'm sure probably online you could get something cheaper, but time you throw in shipping, you know. Anyway, for me, $15 well spent.
move over some more.
That's good.
How do we do today?
Beautiful. We'll see how far it went.
Yeah.
The first load. It surprised me, I'm gonna tell you. I really thought it would go farther than, but it was sloped more than I thought too.
Right. Well, it's looking good.
Oh,
So
compared
you'll have this totally closed in.
yeah. And vented. Well vented.
You're gonna have your a barn door style open up.
Either that or sliding doors, I'm not sure yet. But it's got to be mouse proof.
Okay.
That's whatever we do has to be waterproof and mouse proof.
Yeah.
I'm just going to put 2x4s or 2x6 purlins on here, and then mill some either poplar or ash
Right.
board and batten siding. And I think I got a couple of windows down at the barn.
That will look good.
And then get my painter here to spray this the same
Yeah.
color as the barn.
Yeah. I don't know. I think the wood siding might look nice. Put some stain on there.
Well, it might, but the thing is, from the house
Yeah.
in the wintertime, you can really see down here.
Yeah.
And I think it's just going to look better if it's, if not painted, at least stained
Right.
a gray color like
Yeah.
the metal.
Yeah.
And that's sort of what I'm planning on.
You really don't need that much more, do you? You got a pretty good, decent coverage.
You talking about the rock?
Yeah. I guess
It's
low.
going. It's going to take. It's
You
going
need
to
it
take
to come
that
all the way
load.
up to the top of these boards.
Yeah.
Okay.
Top of the board is level with the bottom of the concrete on
Yeah.
the other side.
Yeah.
It's going to eat it up.
Well.
I mean, I'm not. If I don't get it all the way level, I'm not worried about it.
Yeah.
I'm not going to put any more rock in there. Whatever it is. But it's not going to be. It's not going to be over an inch out of level if it doesn't come all the way up.
Yeah.
But I think it will. Because we're halfway up on the boards.
Well, it's easy to get if we need more.